Is this TV floating magically in the air? No. It is on a rolling TV stand. So this is the Zindex rolling TV stand, and it holds anywhere from 13 to 55 inches, TVs weighing up to 88 pounds. You've got options here as far as the pole. So this pole does come in 3 sections, and I'm going to give you a close-up look of that. So if you don't want the center pole because maybe your TV sits lower, you can do that option as well. And then they give you many different options for mounting. So this brace will actually fit on several types of TVs. In the assembly book, it tells you like how to measure to determine which is the best screws to use for your mount. And then I love the cord management. So your cords, whether they're your power cords for your TV, cable cords, they can all go right down here, right through the cord, through the bottom. I will also give you a close-up look of that. But this easily moves around, which we really love up at our cabin because we only have one TV. So sometimes we like it in the living room, sometimes we like it in the bedroom. So it's really easy to move around. Also, great option if you don't want to put holes in your wall, whether you're a renter or you just don't want holes. This is a great option that you don't have to drill, but you can still have an elevated TV. Would fit great behind an entertainment center. So let me give you a close-up look of the feet of this, how the cord management is done, and the bracket on the back. All right, so here are the feet. You actually do have locking casters on all your wheels. And then we've got the cord management comes right through here. So you've got this little bracket. So this middle bar here is the one that you could leave out if you did not want it. But we've got cords going right there, the back of my TV, and then going right through here. And then, like I said, you have many different options for this bracket. And they do give you several different screws. The only additional tool I needed was for the screws, just those, that's it. So if you're looking for a highly versatile and easy to move TV stand, this is a great option.